Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart at 7 a.m. Eastern Time on the 24th of December 2017. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you is a dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that if we're not able to move above this supply zone over here, then we're likely to continue moving to the downside. We also said based on the larger time frames that it's most likely that we're going to continue moving to the downside. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. So on Monday, the market moved to the downside. On Tuesday, the market continued moving down. On Wednesday, we moved even more down and then bounced a little bit from this demand area. On Thursday, stabilized a little bit more, tried to go up but got sold off again. And on Friday, it looks like we gapped up and sold off for the day. So this is where the market is at the close of last week. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this coming week? Now, to answer that question, it's best to look at the larger time frames. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the weekly chart over here. And on the weekly chart, you can see, as we've said in previous weeks, that this move down made a new low. So this move up is likely to make a lower high. This is exactly what happened last week. Last week we sold off, putting in a lower high. So the odds based on this time frame are that we're most likely to go below this pivot over here and continue moving to the downside. Now, of course, that may not happen, but that's what the odds are. That's what's most likely to happen at this moment in time. Now, of course, that could change. And if we take a look at the monthly chart, again, we've already put in a lower high here. So the odds according to this time frame are that we're most likely to go lower. Of course, we have to go below and close below this demand area. And if we do, the odds are we're likely to continue moving to the downside. But again, we may still be supported by this demand zone and move to the upside, even though that's the least likely scenario to play out. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this coming week. The market is closed Monday and Tuesday this week for the holiday season. So what I'd like to do is take this opportunity to wish you and your families happy holidays. It's been a wonderful year 2017. Go back and look at the previous videos of Where is the Dollar Going Next, which we put out every Sunday for most of 2017, and see how accurate our analysis is based on price action alone. You don't need any indicators. If you'd like to take this a step further and learn how to do it yourself, there's an offer on, two offers on at the moment, and let me share them with you. The first offer is taking the whole program, How to Read the Market Professionally, and again, there'll be $1,000 off. You can use the coupon code 1000 off at checkout. When you click here, it'll take you to the checkout until midnight tonight to get $1,000 off the regular price of this training. If you'd like to take the first module of that training, which is How to Read the Trend, then there'll be $200 off. And again, if you put the coupon 200 off at the checkout until midnight Eastern Time tonight, you'll get $200 off this training. So that's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart, wishing you the best of luck with your trading in 2018. Happy holidays, everyone.